I checked with the amount of days she has credit. She has 174 days. She owes him 6.
Okay. Counsel. All right, then what the court will do, the court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court will follow your agreement, grant the motion, revoke, find you guilty, and sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. I'll recommend the therapeutic community.
Your Honor,
Yes.
just out of curiosity, how long will it take for her to be transferred to the state jail facility to serve those 6 days?
You'll have to contact the sheriff's office and ask them.
Because
Or either the quickest way to ask is to ask an inmate. I always tell people inmates can tell you how long it takes to transfer, and they can also tell you how much time they're actually doing on parole. Those are the only 2 things that inmates are responsible for. But just a second. Yes. All right. And there's to be no contact with Rosalinda Chantaka, Chantaca. And there's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So with regards to these other 2 cases, the harassment and the assault on the peace officer, state, when are you expecting for that to be properly investigated to see whether or not it's going to be indicted, or are they going to be rejected?
I don't know when they'll be indicted, but I seriously doubt they would be rejected, Your Honor.
All right. So,
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting. As a practical matter, perhaps it might be better to sentence under 1244A.
no, I will not be doing that. She hasn't reported since 2023. With regards to these 2 other cases, again, they'll probably hold her at the jail because it's going to show these 2 cases are open before they transfer her to the state jail facility. We're going to recall these 2 cases. State, you all need to make a decision on whether or not you're going to seek indictment or not. I don't know how the system is run upstairs, who is over whether or not these cases are indicted, which prosecutor it will be. But we're going to call this back. And counsel, you're able to be here January 19th.
Yes.
All right,
Let me check the date. Just to be sure.
we can do the 16th, the 17th, or the 19th. That'll give the state a whole week to decide whether or not these cases they're going to be seeking for it to be indicted.